What is going on, Crowd One? How you guys doing? Today I wanted to talk to you guys about commitment and how that looks like in real life. um, you know, we get a lot of motivational speakers telling us about commitment and, a lot of famous people, a lot of achieved people telling us about commitment. And, they they tell us about commitment from a very accomplished place, and so we confuse commitment for achievements. We think, okay, first everything must work out for me and then I'll be committed, um, which is actually false. Commitment is actually the test of time. Now, what I mean by this is, it's very easy to say you're going to do something, but it's another thing to do it. Saying you're going to do something and then doing it are two different actions, right? So how commitment actually looks in real life is doing something because you said you're going to do it. That is what commitment is. Commitment is falling down and then getting up gradually because you're committed. Commitment is walking in a direction regardless of how many times you might get swayed and pushed away from that direction, regardless of whether the fact that you sway yourself from that direction or external forces sway you from that direction, right? So with regards to Crowd One, right, you could tell yourself very easily that, no, I'm committed to getting this and this amount of money from Crowd One, become a president. And along the way, you prospect for a week and all you get is no's. And it's very easy to just be like, well, I mean, right? It's very easy to just stop. It's simple. It's easy to stop, and it's easy to carry on as well. So commitment is literally the only thing that you need. Commitment, I mean, other words for commitment is persistence and consistency. Now, consistency and persistence are like a muscle that you have to train. I'm learning now that you can't just wake up and expect yourself to be this persistent, gritful person. It's something that you have to train within yourself. You have to train yourself to be consistent and persistent, by being consistent and persistent on a daily basis. And I think the times when you're really tested is when you are lazy. Say for instance you're lazy and you really do not feel like doing anything, right? Your consistency and persistence is tested within that moment, right? Are you going to consistently be lazy, or are you going to rest and then get back to that commitment you made, right? Now, one of the things that I've learned this year is a very important skill is clarifying what my consistency is and what my progress is, right? Because I mean, there's so much information out there. There's so much help. There's so much, ideas on goals and what success is, and all these things. So, for me to really achieve that persistency and consistency that, I have in my daily life is I literally sat down and clarified what progress is for me, what action is for me, and what persistency is for me. So for me, it was doing a certain amount of tasks in all my various business pursuits consistently every single week. Now, obviously, this is a trial and error thing. Like for me, I'm realizing one of the business pursuits I was doing was merely for money. I had no passion for it at all, and so I've cut it out completely, right? So it's a trial and error thing. But with regards to Crowd One, you have to find something for yourself, especially when it comes to recruiting, right? So for me, what I'm trying to do is speak to 100 people per month, right? For the next 3 months, I want to speak to 100 people per month, which means I have to speak to 4 people every single day. That's how much I've downed it down to. That is my action plan. 4 people every single day. Now, I'm realizing now, even when I made that action plan, that it's easier said than done. You know, I've written it down, but consistently actually prospecting to 4 people a day. I mean, it sounds easy when you're saying it, but then actually doing it is a task within itself. All right, guys. So yeah, that's just a short little thing that I wanted to share with you guys. Just a little bit of food for thought, right? Making something for yourself to be consistent with. Like, give yourself a timetable. You know, kind of like how you had in high school. Like in Monday you would have math at 9 o'clock, and then on Thursday math would be at 1 o'clock. So you make yourself this kind of timetable, right, to make sure that you are consistently persistent, right? And when you do this, right, your failures and successes are of themselves. That happens of itself. That's God's business, right? Whether or not you're winning or failing is God's business. Obviously, some of it is your business, you know, because you have to learn how to prospect and how to speak to people. You know, you need to learn a little bit about sales. But whether or not other people are gonna like Crowd One and join is actually none of your business. Your business is, okay, if I speak to 10 people, that means one person is gonna say yes, right? If we look at the numbers game, right? If I'm a new network marketer and I want 10 new people to join my team, right? And statistically speaking, only one person is gonna join after I speak to 10 people. That means I have to speak to 100 people for 10 people to join. It's simple. It's simple. So the only thing that I'm concerned about is speaking to 100 people, right? So you consistently do what you gotta do. You're not worried about, are people joining or are people not joining? Am I recruiting? Am I not recruiting? Those aren't the numbers that you're looking at. You're looking at, have I spoken to 100 people this month? Okay, make it simple for yourself. Have I spoken to my 4 people today? Have I spoken to my 4 people today? Have I put 4 people on a webinar today? Right? That's all you're basically doing when it comes to recruiting, right? Then there's the next step, which is leadership and training, which is a whole another video. But you know, it's something that I've learned now, you know, that I wanted to share with you guys, especially guys that the guys like us that are not, you know, that don't have 27 years in network marketing and are completely new to this business and game, right? We just gotta talk to people, and by doing so we'll get better, right? And we'll grow as leaders. All right, guys. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please do make sure to leave a like underneath if you like the video. Please do make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. I will be releasing a new video on Thursday. Hopefully, guys, I will see you then. Enjoy the rest of your day, evening, morning. But anyway, guys, remember, impossible is nothing.